When I do a pre-listing walkthrough, the first thing I check is not the kitchen, it's not the floors, it's the light temperature. Buyers feel it before they consciously notice it. Here's the number you need to know: 2700 K. That's the warm light temperature that makes a space feel like a home. Most builders install 4000 K or higher, basically office lighting. It signals stress, it signals cheap. Your brain reads it as a waiting room, not a sanctuary. Boom, you just lost the emotional buy-in. Swap in a $12 pack of 2700 K bulbs before your first showing, and the room feels warmer, larger, and more expensive before anyone touches a wall. Perception is price. The difference between a home that feels like $600,000 and one that feels like $800,000, sometimes it's a few light bulbs. The architecture of value is in your control. Follow me for weekly design insights that increase your home's value. I'm Pete Bauch with HomeSmart.